In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a headset to your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to look at your headset just to see what kind of connection it uses. Some headsets use a USB cable, while others use Bluetooth, and others use a 3.5mm audio jack. If your headset uses USB, simply plug that into the direct USB ports on your PS5. As soon as it's connected, the console will recognize it immediately. If your headset has a 3.5mm audio jack, you can plug it into the headphone port on your DualSense controller. The port's going to be located in the very bottom of your controller. But if it does have a different connector size, you may need to get a simple adapter, which is super easy to find online or in electronic stores. After plugging in your headset, we're going to go ahead and check for those audio settings. So go up to the top right, select the settings gear just like so, and scroll down on here until you see sound. Open this up. Once you go ahead and see sound, go ahead and find the microphone section, and you just want to make sure that the input device is set to the correct thing, which is like microphone on controller or whatever it might be, headset microphone. Then go to audio output and make sure your output device is set to your headset as well. I'd also recommend turning switch output device automatically on. This will just help you out a little bit in the future. As long as you do have those set, you should be good to go. If you're still not hearing anything, go to the volume and just adjust your headphone volume right here and controller speaker right here, and you're good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.